Hello everybody and welcome back, and in this video we'll be doing a bike check of my dad's 2017 Fuel EX7. Starting off tires, he's got these Bontrager XR4 Team Edition issues with 29 by 2.4 inches wide. Set up full tubeless, these are very good tires, grippy. He usually runs these about 30 psi, so relatively hard. He likes them. I usually like them about 30 psi for my bike. He likes these actually really low. He runs them at like 15 psi. He has yet to hit a rim on these, so very solid tires. Now, speaking of rims, I got the Beeline 30 rims here, so very solid, rock solid rims. He has not hit these out of true, even with running 15 psi in the tires. So very solid and strong rims. Now, moving on to the drivetrain, it's got a SRAM NX drivetrain, 1x11 speed, so very solid. He's running a 28 tooth chain ring up front. Used to be a 32, but he found that too hard of a gear for him, so he's gone down to a 28 tooth in front. He's got the wonderful NX cranks with the NX pedals as well. Massive spikes in these pedals for extra grip out there on the trail. Now for the brakes, these are SRAM's Level T hydraulic disc brake system designed for cross country. This is an insanely good brake setup here. These brakes have never been bled and they still run fine. Now for the rear shock, it's got a Fox DPS flow in 130mm travel black stanchion tube. It's been running great. It's got the minnow links here, so you can just flip the minnow link around, change the geometry out, slacken the bike out a little bit. As you can tell, it's still muddy from the ride we went to at the Mac just a few days ago. It's still snowing muddy there, which is very sad. But, yeah, nice to know there's a trail system right by our house we can go to and shoot videos. It's got the drop post up here. Big old seat pack, too, just to carry all those bits and bobs and tools. It's got the wonderful, almost police-esque paint job of black and blue lettering, which I really like. I also love how they match the RockShox Recon to that paint job with the black stanchion tubes and all that stealth equipment. I've got 130. Speaking of the shock of the front fork there, it's got the RockShox Recon in 130mm suspension travel. Got 5-position lockout here, so it's very solid suspension. Alright, moving on to the handlebars. These are not quite aggressive these are not quite aggressive as Mom's Specialized stump jumper, but they are still pretty good. They got 750mm wide. They're just flat bars. They don't have the big rise that my mom's has, but he is running 3 spacers up here as the handlebars, nice and tall to inspire confidence. It's got the knock block, which basically limits the handlebars from turning too far with this big old suspension setup he's got, and going into the frame. So that's nice to see, protecting his frame there. It's got these lock-on Bontrager grips, which is pretty cool as well. It's got the NX paddle shifters, which I really envy and enjoy. It's got some nice stealth internal cable routing here. This goes all the way down, just pops out here. It's also shrink wrapped, which is very nice to see. Yeah. Very solid bike. It's got the bottle cage in here. He used to have a pump, but that fell off somewhere on the trail. We have yet to find where that is. Yeah, so this is a very solid bike. Very solid bike. So yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.